Imagine stepping into a machine, pressing a button, and waking up in the year 3026, or traveling back in time to witness the construction of the pyramids, or even meet the dinosaurs. Sounds impossible, but surprisingly, modern physics suggests that time travel may not be entirely science fiction. Time travel has fascinated humanity for centuries. Movies, books, and television shows often portray people jumping through time. But what does science actually has to say? Can we travel into the future? Can we travel into the past? Or does the universe prevent us from changing history? Let's find out. Believe it or not, traveling into the future is already possible. In 1905, Einstein proposed theory of relativity. According to this theory, time does not flow at the same rate for everyone. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station experience this effect every day. Although tiny, they age slightly slower than people on Earth. If a spaceship could travel close to the speed of light, a traveler might experience only a few years. Meanwhile, decades or even centuries could pass on Earth. In a sense, that person would have traveled into the future. Black holes and time. Gravity can also affect time. Near extremely massive objects like black holes, time slows down dramatically. A person orbiting a black hole for a short time and could return to Earth and discover that many years have passed. This phenomenon is known as gravitational time dilation. It was famously portrayed in the movie Interstellar very detailed. What about past? Traveling into the future seems possible, but going backward in time is much more difficult. Some theories suggest that wormholes could actually act as tunnels connecting different moments in time. If one end of the wormhole experienced time differently from the other, it might create a pathway into the past. However, scientists have never discovered a wormhole, and even if they exist, they may be far too unstable to use. Backward time travel creates strange paradoxes. For example, what happens if you travel back in time and prevent your grandparents from ever meeting? Would you still exist to make that journey? This is known as the grandfather paradox. Some physicists believe the universe somehow prevents paradox. Others suggest that changing the past creates entirely new timelines. So, could time travel ever be possible? Traveling to the future appears to be allowed by physics. In fact, it has already been observed on a tiny scale. But traveling to the past remains one of the great science's greatest mysteries. Perhaps one day humanity will unlock the secrets of time itself. Until then, time travel remains suspended somewhere between science and imagination. This is Nebula Astro, making the universe simple. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and continue in the journey with